Want to add a sweet touch to your fall decor? Then follow this awesome video because it has amazing candy corn characters. It's a fun family craft that everyone can do, and it's easy on the budget. A quick trip to Dollar Tree and probably about under $5, you have yourself a fun afternoon and some great Halloween decor. And as an added bonus, I'm gonna give you a fun craft hack that you've probably never seen before.
Let's get crafty with a bunch of Dollar Tree stuff.
$3 candy corn garland. Some pipe cleaners, these are also nice to have in Halloween colors. And because I was running low on glue sticks, I bought some glue sticks as well. You're gonna need a hot glue gun, and there's a secret to making the cute little eyes on this as well. So you get 5 candy corn characters out of this with a little remaining extra. And you get all these pom-poms that you can reuse on other projects as well. So I think it's a pretty darn good deal. Grab your candy corn piece here, and kind of looks like a pizza. What you want to do is probably put the arms a little more than halfway down on the orange piece here. And it's really easy, just give it a little bit of a strip of hot glue. Like that. Now don't worry about having like excess and long arms, because you're gonna fold those in and articulate them to positions, and maybe they'll be holding something, that sort of thing. So that will be a really cute way to do that. All right, so I like to start on one side and then move my way to the other side. That's just because my warm glue tends to dry fast and I can't get it that fast. So make sure that I'm doing that like that. Easy peasy. And now I open it up and go like that. Now, what I really like about this material is that it's firm. So you don't necessarily have to stuff this like a stuffy. I did stuff a few of them with some polyfill, but I don't think that it's necessary. So we're gonna try something else to make it stand up without filling it with polyfill. Maybe we could do like a straw scaffolding. You gotta be willing to experiment. Ooh, I kind of like that. Yes. Look at how easy that is. So just put a straw in, and if you want it to be a little bit more squishy at the top, push some pom-poms in there from the garland. I'm not gonna hot glue this into place because what I wanna do is make sure that I can stow this little guy away easily. So that's all it's gonna be, is just take that out like that. And then he'll stow flat with his friends. Now, decoration time. I'm gonna leave the arms because I wanna start making some accessories that are classic Halloween accessories, like, witches and Dracula and mummies and Frankenstein, all of those things. Now, to do the face, you can do a couple things. Now, a lot of people are probably thinking like googly eyes look good on here. And I think that they're pretty cute. It kind of takes it back to like an elementary school, style. However, there is another way that you can put something with a little bit more polish on it that really doesn't require much work at all. And that is to use your handy dandy warm glue gun to make some eye blobs. You wait for that to dry, and I'm also gonna do a little smiley smirk like that. Now we wait for that to dry, and once that's dried, I'm gonna take my Sharpie marker, my black Sharpie marker, and I'm gonna color that in. I know that not everybody has all of this stuff on hand. I like to give people alternatives. So just thinking that I can curl this up into little black eyes, or maybe even a mouth. Okay, so that's a fun alternative, and I bet I can do a little smile face too. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. All right, now that that's done, I'm just gonna fill in the smiley face and the eyes, keeping it on the mat as much as I can. I like to leave room for the whites of the eyes. And don't forget that you can cut into this and make it a rounder shape, a more oval shape, so you don't have to like worry about hot glue strings getting all over the place. This is a great way to get instant eyes. There's one guy, and I'll cut through that in a second. And then I'm gonna make a similar eye. Now, you can use the white of the hot glue to, you know, be the whites of the eyes, which is pretty common. However, if you want to take it up a notch, you can get a white Sharpie paint marker. Really, with this giant one, I don't want to go overboard, so just want to give him cute white eyes. That the glue. All right, and because some of the white got smudged around, doesn't look very crisp, and I tend to want to make sure that everything looks as crisp as it could be. Cute little smirk. Okay, so now we can give him all kinds of accessories. All right, so I'm gonna make him into a mummy by using this pop dot tape from Dollar Tree. Great having all of these different sizes in one package. I am pretty smitten with this. Gotta leave his eyes peeking out. Oh my gosh, so cute. It's so cute. Okay, so you could easily just keep the tape as it is, but this is double-sided tape. And if you know anything about me, it's that I really love glitter. So I'm thinking what I'm gonna do is remove the top parts of the tape as best I can and shake a little iridescent glitter on there. Now, here's a fun little hack. If you happen to have these little droppers, cut just a little bit of it off like that, and it becomes the perfect glitter scoop. That's right. I have come up with lots of hacks over the years, and that is one of many. Now I'm just gonna put a piece of paper down because we can easily get our excess glitter back into its bag. Oh, that's cute. Let's see. Okay, ooh, I love it. I really, really like it. Look at my little witch corn. So cute. It was this sweet little candy corn. Oh, it turned out adorable, just sitting right on there. Suffice to say, my family had a blast making these fun little candy corn characters. I highly recommend it to anybody who wants to have a good time with their friends and family for an afternoon. Plus, it's budget friendly. Don't forget to like and subscribe because I have lots of crafty things up my sleeve and you're not gonna wanna miss them. See